when I'm chatting with ChatGPT, I like to think of it the same way that I do when I'm having a conversation with a real person. Get ready to discover the 10 ways that I use ChatGPT and how it makes my Amazon sourcing faster, smarter, and more profitable. This AI assistant can do so much more than you might think. And people are often confused of the capabilities of AI and specifically ChatGPT. I am here to tell you today that yes, in fact, it can search the web and give you information in real time. This video will give you a very clear understanding of how you can use ChatGPT to revolutionize the way that you source for products. Practical strategies that you can implement today. So hit that subscribe button if you find value in this video at all. And hang around with me for a while I show you step-by-step actionable methods to find high demand products with great profit potential. You'll definitely want to stick around until the very end because the last strategy that I share is by far my favorite way to find products. It makes things so simplified, so easy. It leads me right to the products to buy, and you're definitely not going to want to miss this. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into the 10 ways that I use ChatGPT and how you can start doing it yourself to take your Amazon FBA business to the next level. Okay, so I mentioned that there is a lot of confusion right now around what ChatGPT can and cannot do. Let's make this clear right now. ChatGPT can, in fact, search the web. But it's kind of a gray area, which is hard for people who have the mindset where things are not gray. It is black or it is white. And because AI is very new and developing, we're not exactly sure of what it can do and its capabilities because we're still in testing phases of it. You can see here, in fact, ChatGPT is able to tell me real data in real time across different websites. However, where the problem lies, it can't do two things at once. So yes, I can give it prompts to lead me to products across different marketplaces in real time that are offering the best discounts, but I can't tell it to simultaneously look at these products and the Amazon listings to tell me the data and if I should buy it or not. But while I can't do these things simultaneously, I can do them on their own. So first, I'm going to show you all of the different ways that I use ChatGPT to find me different products, and then how we can use ChatGPT to take a specific product that we found and have it analyze that. You have to be really good at how you pose the questions and be as specific as possible. You can see here in this exchange that the AI told me it couldn't perform a function that I asked it to do, but it had actually done that function for me in the past. Called the AI out and said, "You did this before, why can't you do it now?" It told me that, oh, I did do this before, but the way you asked it now was kind of confusing. I thought you were asking something else. So if initially you do not succeed with getting the info that you're looking for, rephrase your question. I was eventually able to get the AI to give me what I was looking for. So the number one piece of advice that I can tell you is you have to get fluent with talking to ChatGPT, getting really good at being intentional with asking specifically what you want, but also understanding that it can't do two functions simultaneously, like find the product and analyze the listing, but we can do them separately. All right, now let's really dive deep into it, into the 10 specific ways that I use ChatGPT. Number one, it can help identify trending products in various categories by analyzing consumer demand and seasonal trends. This is definitely going to be able to help you to find products that are in high demand on Amazon. Let's say you're interested in focusing on reselling products in the fitness category. Prompting that into ChatGPT, it was able to tell me that resistance bands and yoga mats are trending due to the increased interest in home fitness since COVID has happened. It can most absolutely help us to identify these different Google trends, and it's an amazing research tool for looking across for different specific keywords. Because as mentioned, it is searching the web. So when you give the AI a very specific prompt, it is going to be able to quickly search so many different websites and give you a precise answer. Not only that, it's going to show you the referenced websites that it used so that you can click on them and go into it yourself to see the source. Number 2, I use ChatGPT for online retailer price comparisons. It's going to search across all of the different online sites for the best discounts and deals on products. It most definitely can compare across multiple marketplaces and then suggest to you where to find the product that you're looking for at the cheapest price possible to resell it. For example, I told ChatGPT that I was looking for Bluetooth headphones. It was able to, in a blink of an eye, bring up different retailers and the price at each retailer currently being offered. The third thing that ChatGPT can do, it can absolutely find you discount codes and coupons. That's one of the reasons why I really love doing online arbitrage, because all of these different codes and coupon offers can really help to increase that ROI where you don't really have these flexible options in store. I've also used this when Christmas shopping very recently. My own kids have been wanting a lot of different specific things for Christmas that are high ticket value. So I've been using ChatGPT not only for finding products to resell on Amazon, but also prompting it and asking it where it can find it for the cheapest price, but not just the cheapest price, where it can also find me the highest Rakuten cashback and discount codes that I can apply to save even more money. Number 4, you can use ChatGPT for wholesale supplier research. It can assist in finding reliable wholesale suppliers where you're going to be able to buy in bulk. And because you're buying in bulk, you're going to get it for the cheapest price per unit. Whether I'm looking for wholesale suppliers, distributors, or different places where I can do drop shipping, I'm going to be very specific in the word that I ask it based on which model I'm doing. I might say, find me suppliers wholesale for chargers. And then what I like to do additionally is to put a number in there. I will say, tell me the best 10 different suppliers, distributors, wholesalers that sell XYZ for the cheapest prices possible. Number 5, I use AI to help me with Amazon product and seller insights. As mentioned, ChatGPT can in fact analyze listings on Amazon. It can even offer insights on how similar products are performing, their selling price, and the competitiveness of the listings. This is going to be super helpful in guiding your sourcing decisions. It's going to look at all of the metrics such as the price, the BSR, also known as the best sellers rank, the reviews, and the Amazon fees. And it can identify different flash sales and seasonal events, which is the 6th way that I use ChatGPT. For example, Black Friday, Prime Day deals, limited time offers. It can help me to locate the best deals at the peak times. I just have to specifically ask for that information. Just recently on Cyber Monday, I asked it about the best Cyber Monday discounts being offered. And it alerted me to discounts such as 50% off of Christmas lights at Home Depot, and different wreath offers for BOGOs at Walmart. Number 7, ChatGPT can also be my second source at helping me with really understanding profit margins and fees. Because as we know, everything is really an estimation. So I do always use ProfitGuru first. I have my Chrome extension, which pops up on every single Amazon listing. So convenient, it's right there. It tells me everything that I need to know about the product. If I'm eligible to sell it, the BSR, how many projected units are selling each month, all of the Keep It data telling me the buy box statistics, how many sellers are on and off the listing, hence informing me of the competition, telling me if Amazon is on it as a competitor, because we don't like competing with Amazon. They definitely let themselves win a lot of the sales. But while ProfitGuru does an amazing job at estimating, it's still that, an estimation. So I always like to use a second source to make sure that those numbers for all of the metrics look the same. Number 8, I'm using ChatGPT to help me with product research, specifically with reverse sourcing. By analyzing the Amazon product listings, this AI can indeed help to reverse engineer the sourcing process by identifying where high-selling products are likely being sourced from. And it can base that off of pricing trends. For example, let's say we're interested in sourcing a smartwatch. ChatGPT can look at listings for smartwatches that are performing well on Amazon, can analyze these listings, the list price, the sellers, the cost price, and it can even help to identify the supplier, such as Alibaba, where it's found that similar smartwatches are priced around $20 in bulk, and they're being upsold for around the $50 mark. It makes it so things are not a guessing game. It's set in stone. It's not gray, it's black and white. The data's right here. Number 9, I use AI to explore niche markets. ChatGPT can suggest niche markets where there's low competition, but where things are profitable. It can find products within those niches that are currently being offered at discounted prices, which is definitely going to provide you with an edge in your sourcing. For example, if you are looking for niche products to sell in pet supplies, I asked this to ChatGPT and it found me a niche market in eco-friendly pet products. How did it do this, you might ask? Why do I believe the data it gives me? Well, it gave me this specific example of going with bamboo chew toys, and then the reasoning behind it is the AI found an increased demand for this product while also having low competition. And these are the exact niches and products that we are looking to bring to the market. It also told me how environmental concerns is something huge it's finding across the web. So a product such as eco-friendly cat litter could also be another idea for low competition and something where the value and the demand is going to potentially and likely increase based on trends. But the last way that I use ChatGPT is by specifically asking it a certain website and a certain focus point to tell me products that have the highest potential to resell on Amazon. For example, I can say to ChatGPT, Walgreens, right now, look at the clearance being offered and show me the products that are at least 40% discounted that have the best potential for me to resell on Amazon. And I can even refine it how I want. If there's specific brands I'm looking for, I can include that brand name. If there's specific brands or categories that I know I'm not permitted to sell, I can let the software know that. Do not include XYZ. You're in control. It's listening to you. You have to give the prompts. So if you want really good info from the software, from the AI, you have to know how to ask it what you're looking for. Every single day, I'm asking it to find me all of the best deals it can for the highest savings values, for the highest potential profit with reselling potential, and it's going across different marketplaces. I ask it for Walmart, then I ask it for Target. What are the best weekly deals right now live that have at least 60% off? Choose the number that you want, but be specific. Then I'll be more specific and I'll say, okay, instead of just all the deals, let's look at clearance. Now, within clearance, after I ask that, let's get a little deeper based on the responses that I receive. And I also like that ChatGPT helps to guide what you should ask next. It very often says, do you want me to do this or this to help you? Just let me know. Do you want me to analyze a listing further? Yes, please do. We are definitely in the day of age where we are able to work smarter and not harder because AI is at the beginning of taking over literally everything, I believe. So why not use it at our advantage and be one of the first ones to do so? Because not everybody realizes this yet. ChatGPT is free. ChatGPT can access the web. It can give you, in real time, deals, discounts, codes, specific products, analyzing listings, all of those 10 things that I just explained to you. And these capabilities can greatly streamline the process for sourcing products for Amazon. So what are you waiting for? Leverage this for effective and efficient sourcing. This is the most practical way of finding profitable products while also finding the best deals, the best discounts, the best codes. You just have to ask it specifically what you're looking for. And again, if you don't get what you're looking for the first time, rephrase it. Keep asking. I hope this video was able to show you how right now you can now take actionable steps, go on over to ChatGPT, OpenAI, and start asking these prompts and these questions. These 10 ways are how I literally use AI to run my Amazon business for me. If you do this the right way, you will never run out of leads, of products, of different websites, of coupons, best deals across all of the websites online where you can buy these products for the cheapest price possible and resell them at a higher price for a profit. I hope you found value in this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Let me know down below which of the 10 different hacks you are most interested in trying, and have you used ChatGPT before? Do you love it as much as I do? What are you noticing about how you have to pose those questions? Because me personally, I'm seeing that things need to be intentional. They need to be specific. Thanks so much for being with me. Subscribe to the channel. I'm Cassandra, and I'll catch you in the next video.